What's up guys, this is Kevin O'Toole and this is my week 4 discussion video for MDF3 term 1407. Okay, so what did I do this week? We did the hybrid app, which is utilizing the web view, which utilizes the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So what I did was, stuck with the Marine Corps theme like I've been doing for all my apps. And here you can see the app I created for this week. It's called Marine Grub. Um, what it basically was, I came up with an idea to, come up with Marine Corps or, military in general related recipes. Like, not to curse on video, but shit on a shingle is an actual recipe that was in the military from way back in the day. Um, but just stuff like that, something Marine Corps related, terminology, I just thought it would be cool. I don't have any recipes loaded into the app, but what it is I use the gather information so that people can be added to a weekly email list to receive weekly emails of a different recipe each week, and then they could always view the recipes when that is loaded. So all I did was create, a fork, a spoon, and a knife, and then the chef's hat with the Marine Corps emblem on it, and then, the MG for Marine Grub. I'm going to go ahead and launch the app and just, show you the gathering of the information real quick. What I have is, enter information, first name, last name, email address, and telephone number. Then they could submit the form, reset the fields, and then the view recipes button I put down at the bottom, just so that, they know it's coming soon. In all actuality, the recipes would probably come first, and then, a link to be added to the email list. If they submit the form without anything in it, or any of the rows are not added, the errors do pop up. And then when they submit the form, it fills all the information out, and then it has them choose which email they want to send it through, and then it'll populate the email with all the information, and then it gets sent. So here on my left, this is my Java, and here we have the web view being instantiated, and then here we're calling the intent to get the JavaScript interface. I had a rough time getting my app to work. I thank Sherry, she helped me out this week. I had my assets folder in the wrong location. I had it under my resources folder, figuring that's where everything else was at, and it just would not load. I tried, I kept Googling all the errors, and I never really got good clarification on it, so I emailed Sherry, and she figured out that my assets folder needed to be under the main folder instead of under the resources, and then it worked just fine after that. Here I got my HTML, pretty basic setup. I did use jQuery Mobile, jQuery. I used the modernizer and the validate .js from jQuery, and then as well as my own JavaScript and CSS to customize it with the Marine Corps colors and everything. Here is my JavaScript, pretty simple. The only thing I wanted to do that I would probably do different was I didn't figure out how to clear a message as they're typing in the field, because error messages stay up. And I also wanted it, I assumed when you hit reset form everything would reset, but it wasn't either, so it's just something I need to look into for further use. Other than that, that's it. I had a pretty good week. Other than that assets folder hiccup, everything else went pretty well. I hope everybody's doing good, and I will see you guys in the next class. Later.